everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate tech support requests via WhatsApp. So I run a tech support company and want my clients to report issues, get troubleshooting guidance and get confirmation automatically via WhatsApp. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and this chatbot is going to save my time by reducing manual workload by providing me automation. So firstly in this video we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation or this chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate tech support request via WhatsApp. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating the chatbot, and this chatbot is going to respond to customer queries 24/7 while you are busy or unavailable, and this chatbot is also going to receive the media from your clients. So now I'm going to show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your own business. So for that we are going to use Pabbly Chatflow, but before that I'm going to show you the real working of this automation or this chatbot. So for that let's move on to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I'm going to send a message to the number which I've already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I'm going to enter a message that is I need tech support, and as I have entered this message I'm getting this welcome message which says hi, welcome to Tech Assist Support, please select the issue which you are facing, and here we are getting the list. So now let's open this list and select the issues. So here you can see I'm getting some of the issues. So here I am going to select the second issue, that is login issues. So here I am going to enter it, and as I have provided my issue I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So here I am going to enter my full name as testing user. So here I am going to enter my full name, and as I have provided my full name I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my email address. So here I am going to enter my email address as testinguser@pabblytudes.com. So now I am going to enter my email address as well, and as I have provided my email address I am getting a message which says describe your issue or upload the screenshot. So here either I can describe the issue or provide a screenshot. So now I am going to provide the screenshot of the issue. So here in my picture section you can see I'm getting this image that is issue, so I'm going to just provide it, and as I provided my screenshot I'm getting a confirmation message. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create an amazing chatbot like this for your own business by just using Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chatbot. And if you already have an existing account you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account on Pabbly Chatflow, and once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting the products provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these products, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's click over this access now button, and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow, which can be seen here, and here on this dashboard page you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. So if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we firstly have to create a flow. So for that you simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and if you want to learn more about these features you can find video link in the description given below. Now let's click over this flows given here, and as you will click over the flows you will be be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. So you can also create your own flow. So for that you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page where you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow names. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I am providing it the name automate tech support request by WhatsApp, and afterwards we are getting the option for trigger. So trigger is basically the action which is going to initiate your chatbot. Now on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user start conversation, template selected, and many more. But here I am going to keep it the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and rejects. So keywords are the words which initiate your chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word support. So for that you simply have to type this word and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. Now let's say I am going to enter one more keyword, that is technical. So here you can see I have created even my second keyword. Now if my user enters a message consisting of either of these keywords, our chatbot will be initiated. Now afterwards we are getting the option for rejects. So rejects is basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message you can enter rejects like this. And as we are done with our trigger, now I am going to send a message to my customers with the list of the issues they are facing. So for that I am going to provide them list message. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this list node where you can create your own list. And on this list node it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list here. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message which says hi, welcome to tech assist support, please select the issue which are you facing. And here I have entered this first sentence between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add section, and here you have to enter the section title. So now I am going to provide my section title as issues. So here I have provided my section title as well. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you can enter the title of your first item. So now let's enter the title of our first item over here and create it. So here you can see I have created the first item of my list, that is billing. Now likewise I am going to add some more items to this list. So again you have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your another items. So here you can see I have added two more items to this list, that is login and integration. So with this we are done with our list. Now as soon as my user selects any of these list items or any of these issues, I am going to save that response, and for saving the response we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So you just have to select it or drag it, and here you can see we are getting this contact custom field node where you can create the contact custom field for any of these list items, and contact custom field will help us to store extra information about our clients or customers. So now I am going to connect this first item, that is billing, with this contact custom field, and here you can see it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. So you can also create your own contact custom field. For that you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting the contact custom fields page which I have already opened. And here you can see these are the contact custom fields I have created. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. But here as I've already created my contact custom field, I will be selecting it over the Pabbly Chatflow. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as issues, which can be seen here, and afterwards we are getting the option for entering the value. So here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I am creating this contact custom field for this first list item, that is billing. So here I have provided the value, that is billing. So here we have created the contact custom field for this first item. Now I am going to create the contact custom field for the rest of the items of the list. So here you can see I have created the contact custom field for these both items, that is login and integration. So as we are done with this, now as soon as my user selects any of these list items, after saving the response I am going to ask them some questions. So for that you simply have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask questions. So you just have to select it or drag it, and you will be getting this question node where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your customer. So here I am going to enter a question asking for the full full name. So now let's connect this all contact custom field nodes with this question node, so that if my user selects any of these list items, they will be redirected to this question node. Now here I am going to enter a question asking for the full name. So here I have entered this question, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting the contact custom field. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as any. So here we are done with our first question. Now likewise I am going to ask some more questions from my clients. So here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the email, where I have selected my contact custom field as email and I have selected my format as email. And as I have selected my format as email, it is asking me to enter the numbers. So here it is basically asking me to enter the number of attempts I want to provide my clients. And afterwards we are getting the option for entering the validation message. So here we are done with our another question. Now I am going to enter a question asking for the description of the issue or the screenshot of the issues. So for getting the media from our clients, we have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask media. So you just have to drag it and you will be getting this media question node, by using which you can ask any type of media such as audio, video, document, etc. from your clients. So now I am going to connect this question node with this media question node, and here I am going to enter a question asking for the description of the issue or the screenshot of the issue. And if my user provides either the description or they provide me a written issue, I will be getting the response. So now I am going to enter my question over here. So here you can see I have entered this question which says describe your issue or upload screenshot. So here I am going to select my contact custom field as photo, and afterwards we are getting the option for selecting media type, which is already selected as any, but from here you can select the specific media type which you want to get from your client. So here I am going to keep it as the same, that is any, and afterwards again we are getting the option for entering the number of attempt. So here we are done with our all questions. Now as soon as my user describes the issue, I am going to provide them a confirmation message. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text button. So you just have to select it, and here I am going to enter the thank you or the confirmation message for my clients. So here you can see I have entered this thank you or the confirmation message for my clients. So with this we are done with our creation of the flow. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button, and here you can see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click over the inbox you will be landed to the inbox page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number, which is my number, I am successfully receiving message from my customers and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through a flow, means if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message with the list, and if my user selects any of these list items, we are going to provide them a question asking for the full name. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So if you want to practice this flow, you can find its link in the description given below, and you can also share the link of the flow which you have created. So for that you simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow I have recently created. So you just have to click over this three dots, and here you can see we are getting the option for share flow. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting the link for sharing your workflow. So you can also share this link to your friends so that they can also know about this amazing tool and they can also automate their all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing chatbots and automations like this. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.